Hey friend, it's Simply T again, and I am so happy to be back here with you guys once again, playing in wigs, of course. What else? If you want to see how I achieve a flawless install of this wig here without any glue, any got-to-be glue spritz, or anything else like that, go ahead and keep watching this video. Let's get started. I am doing a wig install specifically for all of my good people who want to kind of take a step above the headband wigs that I've shown you on my channel, the baseball cap wig that I showed you guys a couple days ago, and they want to kind of step their toe in the pool of messing around with lace wigs. I'm going to be using this lace frontal wig. It is a 13x4 Brazilian. It was body wave curly, but I did go ahead and kind of make it bone straight and pluck the hairline of it. Wig in 18 inches from La Pandai Wigs. Now, I've been sharing a couple wig companies that are Amazon based, and you know what, I gotta say, literally they get here the next day or the day after that. So if you are looking for quick shipping because you have a birthday trip coming up or a weekend trip or anything like that, and you're looking for quick shipping and quality human hair, straight out the gate, I will say this particular wig is super full and very, very soft. I did go ahead and put a hot comb through it and put a flat iron to it, and it did come out super straight. Even though it's 18 inches long, it is giving me layered vibes. The reason that this install is super special is because I'm not going to be using my regular degular. This time I'm going to be using something else. Now, I recently had a chance to get my hands on something that's pretty new that I've never tried before, and this is the Not Glue Boo 3-in-1 lace styling spray by this awesome company, Wig AddictRx. Now, if you've never heard of Wig AddictRx, they are a brand new, growing, Black-owned wig adhesive, wig product, and wig accessory company that's out there. And they created this product as an alternative, of course, to three things: glue, skin prep for glue, and also the wax sticks that we use to kind of like slick our wigs down as well. Instead of trying this product off camera and then coming to tell you how I feel about it, I want to do this step by step with you and go ahead and put this product, this 3-in-1 product, to the test. We gonna see. We gonna see. This is meant for everyday wig wearers who do not bang with glue, who are uncomfortable or just don't know how to apply glue. And this is supposed to be the answer to all of our prayers in terms of wig glue, skin prep, and everything in between. It is 3-in-1 lace styling spray, over 10 botanical extracts, gentle on edges, fast drying, daily hold. So there's no parabens in this, there's no sulfates, and it is cruelty free. Okay, so I went ahead and did something that I don't normally do, which is cut the lace before I actually lay it down. So I'm literally trying something different with you guys, and trying to keep it as organic as possible just to test this stuff out. So the instructions tell me to first spray directly onto hairline or onto front of the lace being applied. Okay, and then adhere the edge of the lace onto the hairline. Allow to cure for 5 minutes by securing with lace melting band. Okay, so before even going into how I feel about this product, because I haven't tried it yet, you guys are usually curious about a smell of these products that I'm putting on. So let me go ahead and smell it along with you too. Oh, nah. No, it doesn't smell strong or toxic at all. It smells pretty good. So here goes nothing. Okay, so the instructions do say to let everything cure for at least 5 minutes. So I'll go ahead and do that, and I will be back with you in 5 minutes to go ahead and lay this wig down. Okay, so it has been 5 minutes, and I did go ahead and follow the instructions down to the laying down the lace melting band. Now, if you are familiar with my channel, you already know how I feel about elastic bands. So they had me at elastic band. Like, they won me over literally by sending me an elastic band. And let me just show you why. So it's not just any elastic band that I've tried, but this one actually comes attached with Velcro, you guys. Velcro, yes, absolutely. So it's an elastic band from them, but it also comes closed and tied by Velcro. Now, you're always seeing me struggle with a knot behind my head for the elastic bands that I use straight out of the arts and crafts store. So this in itself was a straight up blessing to me. So I just had to get into that before we get into the 5-minute melt, just because it's just that good. The lace is laying down. I see no line of demarcation. Do you? Let me know if you do, but it's laying down pretty smoothly. Okay, there it is. Now, this is supposed to be for everyday wear. It is not waterproof, but it is a 3-in-1 product. It is supposed to replace skin prep. It is supposed to replace glue itself for my everyday wig wearers who don't care too much about laying or gluing their wigs down and everything else in between. The adhesive is bomb for sure. I cut the lace because I wanted to see the effect that this new product would have on the hairline, and it is going absolutely ham. To all of my beginners, to all of my non-glue participants and lovers, and even to some of my closure girls who just want to kind of like throw a closure wig on and run into that office because you're required to. I know. I would most definitely recommend this. But sit tight, because I told you guys that this was going to be a very extra special wig install video. I just had to make sure that it was okay for myself before I let you know about this. Now, of course, I definitely could not try this extra special wig install without you guys. I follow all of the instructions to this wig install using this particular product. And you know what? It's not enough for me to try it on my own. So of course, what would this wig install video be without an extra special giveaway? Yes, an extra special giveaway. The winner of this giveaway is going to be getting an extra special bottle of this Wig AddictRx Not Glue Boo 3-in-1 wig treatment themselves, of course. Now, the winner of this particular giveaway is going to be winning their own personal bottle of Not Glue Boo 3-in-1 wig styling spray, as well as their very own Wig AddictRx elastic band. Now, you guys know how important these elastic bands are to my wig styling as well as my wig laying process. This particular giveaway is going to give you the opportunity to do just the same. Now, if you are into wigs, if you are just now getting into wigs and you are trying out closures versus frontals, frontals versus closures, or you are afraid or nervous about how sensitive your skin might be when it comes to glue and all these other products out here, have no fear. In order to enter this particular giveaway, just make sure that you are following both my Instagram page and the Wig AddictRx page. Go ahead and follow those two accounts on Instagram. Come back here and comment below to let me know that you already went ahead and followed us both. Okay, so I will be rolling this entry into the giveaway for the next few days, and I will go ahead and announce the winner of this in a few days. If you see this video, if you are watching it all the way and you're curious about this particular product and how it might work for you in your everyday life without the fuss of cleaning your scalp, the fuss of cleaning your skin, putting glue or any type of adhesive on you before you throw that wig on, you know, you already know what you need to do. I don't even need to tell you. I'm gonna hold it up to the screen, but I'm not gonna tell you what to do about it. Okay, so you've already seen what it's done for me, and I had to make sure that I put on the screen what it has done for me, as opposed to faking it or editing it or anything else. So you know what that means. Just head on over to Instagram and follow me at SimplyTTV, and make sure that you're also following this amazing Black-owned company, Wig AddictRx. And when you're done following both accounts on Instagram, make sure you come back over here and comment below, and that in itself will be your entry to this amazing giveaway. As always, guys, thank you so much for clicking play. Thank you for always watching and supporting, and I feel like, where would my channel be without you guys? So make sure you're ready to comment below if you're ready to enter this giveaway, or go ahead and just comment below with your thoughts about this product or this wig, this channel, what you would like to see more of. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend about what we do here on my channel. And of course, I will see you as always right here, okay? Right here, same place, next time. Peace out, y'all.